I'm here with Yacht Armor aboard this 55 Wajer, and we have a ton of unique applications we want to highlight for Yacht Armor that you guys haven't seen before. This boat actually is the tender to the W motor yacht, which is a 189 fed ship. We did some stainless steel applications on that boat. We did the name plates, and what we want to highlight specifically in this video is some of the main features that Yacht Armor is being used on for interior applications and fragile paintwork, metallic paint jobs, and carbon fiber that you're going to find a lot on the finishes in this boat. For all those boat enthusiasts out there, this is a 55 Wajer made out in the Netherlands, custom tailored for each specific and unique situation. Primarily in all of the videos that you guys have been following along with, we've shown you exterior applications, so hull sides, outboard kits, interior kits. We really want to highlight some of the more expensive interior features that Yacht Armor can be applied to, like stainless finishes, carbon fiber, metallic paint jobs. Once these things are damaged, it's gonna cause a lot of downtime for the owner, but then it's also extremely expensive. So let me give you a tour on kind of what this kit includes for this custom 55 Wajer. As soon as you walk right behind me, a teak table with custom carbon fiber right around it. As you continue throughout the boat, you'll find more carbon fiber features, which are all custom templated as well. So as we move to the front of the boat, we have two dashboards, both on the passenger side and the driver's side of the boat, both with carbon fiber features, which also are all being protected. We have custom templates going up for there for all the joystick cutouts and all of the steering modules that are up there. And on the dashboard, we went with a gloss finish over the dash area to protect the dash from any scratches or surface contaminations that might occur. And then we have 4 screen protectors on all 4 garments as well. As you've seen throughout this video, there's a lot of custom unique features that we've done on both this 189 fed ship behind me and then this 55 Wajer. If you're looking for protection on your yacht or center console, you can find us at getyachtarmor.com. Hit the installer locator at the top, find an installer near you, reach out to them, they'll get you hooked up, and we'll see you guys out on the water. Thanks for watching.